If you're sociable, enjoy events, thrive on working with people and like to impress, then studying hospitality at Coleg Gwent is a brilliant choice. You'll work and study in our fully equipped industry standard facilities and our on-campus restaurant, which is undergoing some exciting developments. Our hospitality and events management courses have a great mix of practical and theoretical learning through lectures, seminars, public and corporate events and field trips. So you'll get a well-rounded experience of the hospitality sector and gain industry-ready experience dealing with members of the public on a daily basis. Our tutors are all highly qualified and experienced in their field, passing on their industry knowledge and experience to help you grow and develop. Whether you want to be a party planner, work on luxury cruise liners, high-end hotels, or up-and-coming venues, our hospitality and events courses give you the knowledge and skills you need to launch a career in this fast-paced industry. From Maitre D to events manager, the world is your oyster. Find out more about hospitality and events management courses via our Coursage or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.